Diyos maray na aga po sa nagubos mga tugang, ini po gararay si Lando Assistant para sa satuyang Bicol Algebra. Ikaw po kita igding problem about tricky, radical, and exponential expression na tamang-tama po iyong gayo ang satuyang leksyon. Ano po ang value kang expression na ini? The square root of 8 to the power of 12 plus 4 to the power of 13 all over 8 to the power of 6 plus 4 to the power of 14. Marisa po nindo na ining 8 sa ka-4 pwede pa sinang is-simplified. 8 is 2 to the third and 4 is 2 to the second. And so, pwede ta pa sindang isurat araw ka ini. Sinanglian ta po ining 8 ka ining 2 to the third, ining 4, sinanglian ta kang 2 squared, iyon po ining 2 to the third sa denominator, saka ining 2 to the second sa denominator. Parehas lang po ang sendang mga exponents. Ngunyan po, igwa kita ning number in exponential form na naka-raise sa saro pang exponent. Tamang-tama po ang log exponent number 3 para isimplify yan. Ang gigibon lang is imumultiply ta po ining exponent sa laog saka ining exponent sa luwas. Yan po ang sinasabi ka ining power of a power rule. So, i-implement ta po yan. Ini na po ang maluwas. 3 times 12 is 36. Just copy the base. Ang exponent igdi 2 times 13 equals 26 and copy the base. Pares pong explanation sa denominator. Ngunyan po, mahiling ta na may common factor po igdi. Sa numerator, ang common factor po is 2 raised to 26. Sa denominator, ang common factor is 2 raised to 18. So, 2 raised to 36 divided by 2 raised to 26 is 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 26 divided by 2 raised to 26 is 1. Iyon po sa denominator. 2 raised to 18 divided by 2 raised to 18 is 1. And 2 raised to 28 divided by 2 raised to 18 is 2 raised to 10. Then, mahiling po nindo igdi na igwang 2 raised to 10 plus 1. Sa baba, 1 plus 2 raised to 10. Baliktadan lang po. Using commutative property, pwede taman sindang baliktadon. And a number divided by itself is equal to 1. So, ang matala na lang po is 2 raised to 26 over 2 raised to 18. And, applyan ta po giraray ning law of exponent. Division po siya, so gamiton ta ang quotient law of exponent. Kung parehas po ang base, copy the common base and subtract their exponents. So, ini na po ang maluwas. Copy the common base 2 and subtract 26 minus 18, which is equal to 8. To simplify, square root of 2 raised to 8, isurat ta sinda sa fractional exponent na ang numerator kang fractional exponent si 8, ang denominator itong index igdi na implied to be 2. And 8 divided by 2 is 4, so the exponent is 4. And this is equal to 2 raised to the 4th, which is equal to 16. So, ang value po kasi original expression ta is 16. And iyon na po ni ang simbag. So, salamat pong maray. Ini po giraray si Lando Assistant, Bicolano, taga Calabanga.